what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.
I am back again, looking rough, looking buff. Talofa and hello. My name is Victoria, and I am back today to give you another 5-minute makeup tutorial. Do you want to learn how to look fleek in 5 minutes? Well, then you came to the right place. I'm going to be doing a really simple makeup look, but I'm going to make it fun. This is with one hand. This is 5 minutes, easy peasy. Let's get into it. And if you're a mom like me, you're probably going to start by changing the spitty shirt. I'll be back. Okay, so one thing I always do to try to look a little better, my mom taught me this, put on some earrings. Earrings change the game. It just makes you look a little bit more put together, a little bit more deliberate. Like, I know I have this hoodie on, I know I got some sweatpants on, but like, I'm cute. My dark circles are not bad today. I'm not really gonna wear any foundation. Ooh, I literally do this all the time. And I'm just going to do my eyebrows a little bit. This is Wet n Wild Mega Liner in Voltage Blue. I don't know about this one hand thing today. I like that color. It's kind of funky. This is a really pretty blue. Okay. The pigmentation, I would say, is like pretty good. Next off, my mom saw my last video about how I was talking about how my beauty blender was looking rough. Thank you, Mom. These are Bella Pro Beauty Brilliance makeup blenders. I will link them in the description. Oh, I like these. Thank you, Mom. You know, some beauty blenders are like hard. These are really soft. Just so I don't get greasy, I'm just gonna do a little bit. This is CoverGirl Clean Professional. I'm just gonna do a little bit. It's Maybelline. Always. Snapscara. Let my braids down. Lastly, I am going to go in with this lip oil. It is nasty. No, I'm just kidding. It's NK Makeup Color Lip Oil, and it is really good. I got it at a beauty supply store. As you can see, it only takes 5 minutes to get fleek. Take that 5 minutes. If you look a little funky, put some earrings on, put a tighter shirt on, accentuates your body, get a little fleek. When I start my day looking like this as opposed to this, I always have a better day. If you are a mother and you feel like you don't have that time, let this encourage you. It's showing that I just did this with one hand, and maybe I put the baby in a playpen for like 5 minutes. Don't look at her. She's okay. She's okay. She's okay. Thank you for watching. If you liked that, like and subscribe. Toodles. Toodle-doo.